This right here is one of the most abundant wild edibles there is. It literally grows everywhere. And it has more nutrition in it than spinach. One of the ways to identify this plant is this flower right here. And most of the year it has a little thing on it that sticks to your clothes. But this plant, like I said, it grows everywhere. And most people think of it as a nuisance weed. But like I said, it has more nutrition than spinach, and you prepare it just like you do spinach. You know, wild edibles is a good way to go in a survival situation because it doesn't run. You don't have to chase it down. And you just make it just like you do spinach. It's really good. And then right here, here's another plant. It's really good. You get the small ones. You cut them up. And you cook them. And you eat them. There's food everywhere. You just need to study wild edibles and learn how to forage. Because, you know, in a grid down situation, when there's no food getting delivered and everyone's starving to death, I'm going to be eating this. And I'm going to be eating this. And there's so much more. Just hold on. Let's go for a little walk. I'll show you. There's so much stuff right here in the yard. This right here. Well, you can see that. It's another wild edible. I mean, wild edibles grow everywhere. You really need to know your wild edibles. Because if you eat the wrong one, it can kill you. But like I said, look, this right here. This is great. This is great for a pepper substitute, and it's edible. Most people recognize this plant. There's this plant here. Like I said, there's stuff everywhere to eat. And I grow this stuff. I call it sharecropping. I help these people out with their garden. And look, this plant grows naturally, but I planted it in here so I can eat it. Look how much it is. You know, at Home Depot, it's $14 a plant. I planted like 70 plants in here that I dug up for free. And of course, I'm going to slip in some tomatoes. You know, this is a good looking garden. Real nice. And I slipped in some more tomatoes. Got some peppers growing there. Get on over here. Got squash. I planted this squash. It's already got squash on it. I planted this from seed 3 weeks ago. And I'm already eating it. It's delicious. Look at this stuff. It's growing like crazy. And like I said, I just planted it amongst the garden. And I'm helping these people out. You know, they can't get around so well. You can see the walkway. Look at these tomatoes. Fried green tomatoes are delicious. Here's more squash. You need to learn how to garden. In a survival situation, you need to garden. And you can see, we've been busy. But you also, you're going to have to protect your garden from marauders. You're not going to have to protect the weeds. Most people don't even know about wild edibles. And like I said, here it is again. This stuff is great, and it's a great pepper substitute. wild plants are everywhere, wild edibles, but you really need to study, because if you eat the wrong kind, it will kill you. You know, you can even eat these roses, the rose flowers, you can eat those. And again, look at this. There is a bunch of food right here, brothers and sisters. And this is going to grow into a fruit, which is delicious, by the way. But the little ones are better. The little ones taste better, but you can eat any of it. And again, here's this plant that grows everywhere. It's delicious. But this is why I warn you, you really need to know your wild edibles, because if you eat the wrong one, it'll kill you. This one right here is called Delhi Nightshade. You eat 20 of these, and that's all she wrote. You're dead, Bubba. So, you really need to study and know what you're eating. You know, people talk about wild edible plant test. You do that with hemlock, and you're going to die. You eat one leaf of hemlock, just one, and you're dead. Within 4 to 6 hours, you're going to die from horrible convulsions. But I'm just walking around showing you, look at all this stuff. It's everywhere. There's no reason to go hungry. Look, it's everywhere. It doesn't run for you. This is the edible plant. You just break off the tips and eat it. Here's another edible plant. I mean, it's everywhere. Like I said, you really got to know what you're doing, though. The tips of this. It's really good. I eat it all the time. Study your wild plants. It'll keep you alive. You'll be able to feed your family. The stuff grows everywhere. That's, you know, that's part of survival. That's part of survival. Knowing your plants. Knowing what's edible. Knowing what'll kill you. You really need to study, though. Because, like I said, you eat the wrong kind, and you will be dead. Have a good one.